What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? Did you miss me? I know I missed y'all. What's poppin'? This is another Alopecia Solutions. My doll energy was everything. We are doing a scalp detox and stem cell rejuvenation treatment. And of course, our DHT blocker steaming, which we did off cam. This is so essential. My doll is hopeful and desires to regrow as much hair as she possibly can. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. What's poppin', y'all? And if you are a returning subscriber, what we do? We prepare the scalp so we can start doing topical treatments. Now, if you're not aware, your scalp is an extension of your skin, one of the largest organ on your body. And we sometimes dismiss the importance of treating our scalp as such. So I'm massaging that stem cell rejuvenation treatment also in her scalp. That's going to go right to the hair follicles that are still alive. Now remember, in order for you to regrow hair, we have to have a live follicle. The follicle is the host for the hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. So we did all of that, and we are going to go ahead and braid in her foundation. We are going to be using the Weave Buddy today. My beautiful doll energy was everything. We can go out anytime, okay? When it's not even us slaying some hair. We were twinning energy. What she was giving on our virtual consultation was what she gave me inside the salon. This beautiful doll came from YouTube. Shout out YouTube. I love y'all the best. And we are just going to go ahead and see which Weave Buddy I want to go ahead and apply. Miss Kat Hensky, shout out to you. She is always re-innovating that foundation support and making it easier for some beginners that might be new in the hair loss world. What's the benefit, Taneasha? Why she doing all that? Why she doing all that? Okay. Now, this beautiful doll went to a regular traditional beautician, and her weave was sliding back. Okay, and caused more hair loss. The Weave Buddy is going to keep that hair in place, okay? It's going to make sure when the wind blows, you still got that confidence. It's also going to make sure your installation lasts much longer, okay? And all it is an advanced net. Just like back in the day when we did full sew-ins and we introduced the net and all the clients was flipping out. This the same thing, but for preventive or hair loss situations, okay? So it is a silk lining underneath the Weave Buddy as well. So don't let the look fool you. A net look crazy too, okay? And we're used to the net. It's called evolution. All right, I'm always 10 steps ahead. Right now, we are using our hairline, my hairline Snatch. The Cambodian curly. She want to be Puerto Rican. She want to be Puerto Rican. Also, traditional beauticians, okay? When we are dealing with clients with hair loss, we should not, I just want to go ahead and put that out, go ahead and put the installation in the same manner as if we have a client with a full canvas, because we can cause more hair loss, okay? So go ahead and refer them out. Every beautician should have a dermatologist in their pocket. And you can go ahead and reread the trichology chapter in the book, the My Lady book. Ooh. Oh, I forgot this new 10 years of beauticians don't even go to hair school. My bad. This is the only YouTube university. Let me get back into character, okay? Let me get back into character. We flipping back and forth, you know. We ain't cutting no wefts. Unless we get to like 1 or 2 rows in the top, okay? Because we want to reuse this, beautiful hair. Oh, here's a gem. You know, when you do a sew-in, say you get a bob on any installation and you got good quality hair, and say you might have got 1, 2, 3 wears out of it, or you just want some new hair, instead of throwing the hair away, especially if it's good quality, go ahead and make a unit out of it. Make a wig out of it. That's what I do all the time. If you like the hair, why you throw it away? Go ahead and get your money worth. It's so, you know, I'm not even going to say the R word. because I don't claim that energy. I'm always operating in abundance, and I would not magnify any scarcity. So the R word would not. What's the R word? Figure it out. What everybody out here, all on social media, all looking like they crying about, talking about everything is going up, inflation. Okay, I said the inflation part. That is true. But some people are growing, and some people what? Are not. So if you are in a situation that you want to go ahead and, make it stretch, guess what? I just gave you a gem right there. Okay, so we just going through back and forth, back and forth. What I put on her hair when I was about to blow dry her, and I blow dried her off cam before I braided her up. I went ahead and massaged that stem cell rejuvenation treatment inside of her scalp. I also sprayed her hair with the Influence Milk and Honey leave-in conditioner. I also went ahead and put moisturizer on her hair by Influence, the Shea Butter Moisture Lock. And then last and not least, I went ahead and sealed in that with the K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. I'm saying that slow because I'm not trying to redo this voiceover. Okay? All right. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, all that good jazz if you're feeling your girl. Your girl got a couple more videos coming out of me showing my hair transformations with my beautiful dolls. I'm currently accepting a couple of more new clients, and the content will still be education and having good times and all that, but we will be opening up the wait list for some hair audits. Ooh. So stay posted and stay tuned. Your dog will only have a certain amount of capacity of new clientele, and YouTube has blessed your dog. So I have a certain number of how many new guests I can accept, and I am not hiring a beautician to work with me in this current time to be growing to take on more. That's not the direction Taneasha Hines is going. Okay? But I want to go ahead and give you as much content as I can when I'm servicing my beautiful dolls. Now, right now, I'm going through and tweezing and talking to her and finishing up and cutting off the lace and all that good jazz. You know, I'm bougie, so I had to give her a little fan so she won't perspire and mess up the adhesive. And this is important key if you are a beauty professional. It's important to showcase your work in front of the mirror and tell your clients. That's what I'm doing. You see with my hands moving around and stuff. I need to be doing hair instead of talking with my jazz hands. Tell the clients what to do when they go home. In the mirror. You ain't got to hijack them. Okay? They are really the main beautician. And when they come in the salon, you touching up. It's really, as much as possible, information that you're able to educate your clients, the better the canvas, the better result, and the better retention. I don't have a high turnover rate, so that's why I know what my max is, and some beauticians might not be in touch with that. When you build your client avatar and you build your clientele, figure out how many clients that you can handle. If you want to grow and build a team, understand. Slow and steady runs the race, and everybody ain't you. So if it's not, if you can't duplicate yourself, it's not worth messing up the daggone brand. Okay. We're going ahead and diffusing. We used Honey Almond by Influence Styling Foam. Here's another gem. Please do not use mousse. Mousse has alcohol in it. It's going to dry it out and be flaky. She's good. She don't need to put any more mousse if she's a 2-week maintenance client. If she's a 3-4 week maintenance client, then she will use foam within the 3rd week. All she needs is 2 water bottles, one full with water, the other one full with water, and 1 ounce of conditioner. You can use that leave-in conditioner for so many different things. It's a great investment. You could use it before you blow dry. You could use it in your little concoction when you have a curly style. It should last you a good 5 to 8 months, depending on how heavy-handed you are. I'm showing my client that she could put it in a ponytail because that was a request. I sewed her weft underneath, the first weft in the back, so she's able to wear a nice pony even higher than that. But I also gave her the access to put her topical solutions around the sideline. So that is very, very important. Okay, giving you the close up. Giving you the close up. I love, love, love this texture hair. And it can be flat iron. If you want to see different textures of snatch, you can go ahead and check out that video. But yeah, dolls, what do you think? I am in love with it. I'm in love with her energy. She can go ahead and reproduce herself. Go ahead and make 10 of her, okay? And she was wearing her little mask. That was her identity shield. So I was here for it. She was like, yeah, girl, get your contact. I got a mask. Bump the daggone hand holding the mask with the hand. I want to be free. Put yourself first. I will see y'all next Wednesday. Ow.